everyone, Kasim here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about my trade setup. Now, I did a video a day or two ago, which I share with you my trading setup. I have it in the link below. You can go check it out. It's a step-by-step video of my setup and how you can have my setup. And the link will be right above here. It will pop up like right now, so you can check it out yourself. And basically, I turned that video. It's a 30 minutes long video. I'm turning it into a 3-clip video, so it should be like 6 to 10 minutes because I know people don't like watching long videos. So I want to turn it to a 6 to 10 minute video, so it's a more bite-sized chunk. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Welcome to the second grid. This is the second grid that I use. As you can see, the title here, main grid 2. So this is the second grid that I use. I will have the link in the description, like I said before in previous videos. I will have the link in the description for you to check out. And I also have a video that I posted in that I posted previously. And I'm trying to combine the video into long form and short form. So I don't know which one you're gonna see right now. If it's a long form, please bear with me. If it's a short form, you're in luck. But this is my main grade setup, the second one. The link is in the description of how you can use this and actually get this onto your TD Ameritrade setup. Now, I primarily trade using multiple time frame, right? I use multiple time frame to trade. Let me just highlight this one for you really quickly. Give me a second here. Let's get this rolling. This is the S&P 500. As you can see, it's just basic information. I just like to just keep an eye on just general the general direction of the market when I'm trading. And as you can see at the bottom here, this is Tesla that I'm watching. That's Tesla. And basically what I do is I use this in combination with TT squeeze, right? So this is the second grade. As you can see, these are the moving averages. For those of you that already know how to trade, these are the moving averages right here. And to import this, I have the link in the description. To import this, all you have to do is you go to your Thinkorswim, and you go to setup and go to open shared item. And the second link I'm gonna show, actually, you know what? Let me show you it right here. This second link, grid number 2, main grid 2. Kasim Bada. This second link, for you to use it for your own trading, you're gonna go to setup and you're gonna go to open shared item, and you copy the link in the description and you paste it here and go to import. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to import it? You can import it. Oh, there you go. You see TD Ameritrade actually showed you. You use control V right here, because you can't use your mouse on this. You have to use control V. You can use control V to paste this link in here, and you go to import. Once you do that, it's gonna show you something that looks exactly like this. It's gonna show you something that looks exactly like this. And this is how I watch multiple time frame when I trade. Because when you're trading, you don't want to be looking at just one time frame, because when you're looking at one time frame, you're only seeing limited information. You want to look at multiple time frames so you can have a better view of the market, right? Right here I have the 3 minutes. This is a 3-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart, and this is also the 7-minute, I believe. Yeah, there's a 7-minute chart. I would look and see if I can share this time frame as well. If I can share the time frame, I'll do a video and show you the link to that as well. I'll put the link in the description if I can share it. But yeah, like that is how you can import my trading setup onto your setup as well, if you like. Okay, and this is the second one right here, the ones that says main grid 2. Main grid 2, you copy the link, you go here and you go to open, you use this instruction. Your computer will show you which one you if you're using a Mac, I'm using a Mac, that's what it is. If you're using a Microsoft, it will also show you. You just follow the instruction and import, and there you go, you have my exact setup on your computer absolutely for free, because I believe in sharing good information, quality information with everybody. So I will urge you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's going to be lots of really good information like this that I'm bringing to you guys every single week that can make you a better trader and make the quality of your trade very nice. So subscribe and like the video as well. Hope you've enjoyed that clip. Hope you've learned a lot from it. If you want to watch the full version of that video, you can click on the I button right above this video that you're watching, and you can watch a full-length video. It's right there. And thank you for watching the video again. Subscribe, like this video if you like what I'm doing here. Stick around. I'll be bringing a lot more content for you, so we can all improve our financial situation. Maybe, you know, quit a job one day and be able to trade and invest and do other things. So stick around, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.